Take a ride in the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, power door locks, bed liner, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.